Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are delving into the captivating world of artificial intelligence and exploring the top AI applications of 2023. What's unique about this list is that we have categorized these applications based on their primary functions. Like we have categorized it into text, video, image, code, and speech, okay? Let's jump right into it and discover the future of AI-powered apps. Okay, so the first in the text category, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is basically an advanced language model that is created by OpenAI, and now using the GPT 3.5 architecture, it can generate remarkably human-like text in response to prompts and questions. It can do all those work like from drafting emails to aiding in creative writing, everything. ChatGPT is versatile and a powerhouse for text generation for you guys. Then next, joining ChatGPT in a text category, we have is Google Bard. Google Bard is basically a large language model chatbot that is developed by Google AI, and it is trained on a massive data set of text and code. And just like ChatGPT, it can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in any informative way. But Google Bard is still under development, unlike ChatGPT, but it is already being used by different people in a variety of ways, such as to learn new things, get help with creative projects, generate code, and also get answers to questions about the world around us. Now moving on to the video category, we have CapCut. CapCut is basically a free all-in-one AI video editor and also video maker app that is very easy to use, and it offers basically a wide range of features that includes like basic video editing tools, advanced tools, and a large library of effects and AI powered features. So CapCut is basically a really popular choice for video editors of all levels, and if you talk about the young users, it is really popular among TikTok users nowadays. Number 4 in video category, we also have Dscript. Dscript is basically a versatile audio and video editing software that is designed to streamline the post-production process. It basically offers an array of features including automated transcription, allowing users to easily transcribe and edit their media files. Dscript's intuitive interface enables seamless editing by manipulating text into a word processor, resulting in a more efficient and precise editing experience for all of you guys, like for content creators in a wide range of this multimedia realm. Now for the 5th application in our image category, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is a really popular and a really famous platform. It is a text-to-image AI service that allows users to generate images based on textual descriptions. It is known for its high-quality, well-structured, and detailed images. Midjourney is still in development, but don't get me wrong, it has already been used to create a wide range of impressive images, including realistic portraits, you can say surreal landscapes, abstract artworks, and all kind of images that combine different styles and elements in a really creative way. Midjourney is a very powerful tool for artists, you can say also for designers and anyone else who wants to create a unique and visually appealing images. Okay, so next up we have is Starry AI. Starry AI is basically the state-of-art AI generator that lets you create stunning, high-quality visual in just a few taps. It's basically a lot similar to Midjourney. It is powered by 2 AI models, which can create both realistic and as well as abstract images as well. Starry AI is basically also a very popular choice for artists, designers, anyone else who wants to create a unique and visually appealing images for a social media platform or anything else. Okay, moving on to code category. First up, we have is GitHub Palette. GitHub Palette is an AI-powered code assistant. It is basically an AI-powered code completion tool that helps developers write code faster and more accurately. It is basically trained on a massive data set of code and text and is able to suggest completions as well as generate code snippets, based on your natural language description. GitHub Palette can be used to improve the productivity of developers of all levels, and it can also help them to write code faster and more accurately, reducing all those errors in their code, and it can also help them to learn new programming languages and technologies and, to be more and more creative in their work. So if we talk about more in our code category, surprisingly, ChatGPT also finds its place in the code category again due to its capability to generate code snippets. So whether you are a seasoned developer just starting out, just need to prompt to ChatGPT ChatGPT like what code you're working on, what kind of code you want, or whatever project you want. So ChatGPT will really help you to generate that code for you. So it can really help by suggesting code blocks and providing insights into coding queries, proving its versatility across multiple domains. So yeah, moving on to our speech category now, we have the ever popular Google Assistant. Google Assistant is an AI-powered virtual assistant that responds to voice commands. It can perform tasks like setting reminders, making calls, providing weather updates, and much more. This all basically helps to streamline your daily activity through just the voice interaction, okay? So the last but not least, we have Amazon Alexa for our speech category. It is basically an AI application that integrates seamlessly into smart homes. It's basically a voice-activated assistant that can control smart devices, answer questions, play music, and even order products online. Amazon Alexa is contributing to the growth of the Internet things, and it is also helping to make homes more intelligent and convenient to you guys. So yeah, there you have it. In conclusion, these all AI applications spanning text, video, image, code, and speech are reshaping how we interact with technology, and each one adds value to its respective domain. In short, making our lives easier and more efficient. So yeah, I really hope you like this quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.